Manipal Natural Pvt Ltd, a Manipal Group company. Manipal Natural Pvt Ltd is a part of the Manipal Group, which has a rich legacy of 95 years in education and healthcare, with over 9,290 square meters of world-class manufacturing plant. Manipal Natural is engaged in the entire spectrum from cultivation of medicinal plants, processing and extraction. Manipal Natural is equipped to process 40,000 kilograms of herbal raw materials per day and is certified with all global certifications including kosher, halal, GMP, FSSAI and ISO 22000. Understanding the dependency of high-quality medicinal herbs, Manipal Natural sources its raw materials directly from farmers through contract farming. Manipal Natural is a respected member of APEDA, Shellac and Spice Board. The manufacturing facility located at Dabaspet, Bengaluru, India has state-of-the-art facility, encompasses of production with 2,043 square meters, process control with ISO 8 clean room, warehouse with 1,858 square meters, finishing goods store area of 465 square meter with cold storage facility, quality control and R&D of 465 square meter area. The high-quality herbal products manufactured include botanical extracts, organic botanical extracts, branded botanical ingredients, food and beverage ingredients. Manipal Natural has stringent quality norms at every step of manufacturing, right from raw material, processing and final inspection. The company complies with national and international standards and specifications. The Innovation Center at Manipal Natural focuses on the development of clinical proven branded botanical ingredients, highly bioavailable botanical ingredients and polyherbal ingredients. The R&D team strives to achieve excellence based on customized requirements. The R&D also works in close cooperation with prestigious universities and institutions in biological assessment of safety and effectiveness up to clinical trials. Manipal Natural has implemented an effective harmonized quality system based on International Standards Organization, ISO quality concepts and good manufacturing practices, GMP standards. Manipal Natural ensures compliance with standards and specifications in order to guarantee the quality of our products and ensure the quality of manufactured batches in the shortest possible timescales. Quality control and microbiology is housed in Class 100,000 and Class 10,000 area. Processing area at Manipal Natural is ISO 8 clean room, also known as Class 100,000 clean rooms, meeting US FDA requirements. The environment-friendly company houses rainwater harvesting inspired by the Manipal Group legacy, with world-class infrastructure and experienced, passionate and qualified team. Manipal Natural is focused and aspires to deliver a high-quality product to its customers globally. Manipal Natural